Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick update on the NASCAR group build that I'm doing. I'm doing it on this Dale Earnhardt Jr. Vanilla Wafer Monte Carlo. I don't ever remember him racing this one. I used to watch quite a bit around this time. And I don't ever remember Vanilla Wafer. I also have the Oreo car, which was pretty much the same sponsors. They just, I think it's all Nabisco on there. But let's get to where I'm at so far in the build. I do have the chassis in a couple pieces. I did the seat belts a little different. They had a black decal, but the seat's supposed to be black. But the decal's black, so you really couldn't see nothing. So I just did some red belts. I put some photo etch pieces on there. They're not racing harnesses. It's not done the way it is, but it's better than nothing. And got the fuel cell in the back and all that glued on. Here is the bottom. This piece here was real warped and real flexible. And I don't know if it was just something with the plastic that they used at that time, but I don't have many models that was like that flexible, real rubbery. So there's that. I glued the chassis and painted that. I got away with a little bit of a color change. Everything was supposed to be like gray, so I used primer gray, and then I did the roll bars and a little bit of a gunmetal. Painted that black on the pads, and so I tried to have a little distinction that way, give it a little bit of difference in the color. And I do have all the decals on the body on. I did do a quick coat of clear. I have to wet sand it lightly and give it a couple more coats, but I wanted to get something just to kind of make it easier to get other clear layers on, get them sealed, get the decals sealed. But it's not too bad, but when you do the decals and you try to wet sand, you do end up getting a lot of the raised areas for the decals. So to get a nice smooth shine on that, you got to put in quite a few layers. And then here is the hood. Really neat decals. They were a little stiff, but they did end up cooperating with the Mark fit. Right here is going to be hard to smooth out, and then they didn't come with any decals for the hood pins, so I'm going to have to paint that somehow. This is one of the only wrinkles I had around that hood hinge plate. Was that one there, of course, where you wouldn't want it. But there's some little spots that needs wet sanded. And I ended up getting that, but it's just the base of many coats of clear. And of course, you always get little goofy spots in it, like one right there. Something that I didn't see when I was clearing it. But the decals did lay down pretty cool. And I think the color ended up turning out pretty darn close to what it was supposed to be. And there's some little divots there that I did not see at all until I end up getting decals on it and clear on it. But oh well. It won't be a show car, but it'll be a fun car. So there is my update so far on that. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think. It's kind of fun to get back into NASCAR one build. I haven't done them since I was a kid. And you think with all them decals, that would have been not the kind of kit to have as a kid. But I didn't do too bad with decals. Now painting and all that, I wasn't very perfect at it because I didn't have that skill down. That's something you gotta learn. But I always did pretty good with my decals and bare metal. So, but until next time, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you then. Bye.